think I've got everything with me, mainly the dog. God, the sun's bright. Yeah, I was hoping to get some filming in. Just going to try out some new techniques with the drone. Using the Insta360 camera. And I recently purchased the DJI Action 4, which I should have prepared with Bluetooth, because that's really easy to use. Press a button on the mic and it takes a photo and all that jazz, or video, whatever you got it set on, I believe. I did play with it a little bit, but yeah, that was good. Are you right then, Poppy? Yeah, so we'll see what the day brings. This is a nice little road, this is. Yeah, I like coming down here. Me and Poppy, don't we, Poppy? We often come down here. What a lovely day. Yep, I'm using the DJI Mic 2 today as well. Hopefully that'll be everything going nice and well. Oh, that's not a very good way of doing it, is it? Oh, that is windy. Or when you're pedalling along anyway, isn't it, Poppy? Hey, what do you got to say? All right. Right up. Right up. Don't let go of the handlebars. Well, that was perfect timing. We've got some people coming, so we'll head on our way. Doing a bit more. Yeah, I just had the drone up. Got Poppy back in her bag. I tell you, this is actually quite hard work doing all this video clips. You don't realise how much effort goes into watching a video. These people doing it, you know, kudos to them all. It's not easy. What with the weather, regulations and other things, you know, busy times and oh, here we go, look. This is nice down here, I like it down here. It's just nice to go out for a bike ride. I won't be doing the vlogging or whatever you want to call it all the time. You know, but putting out the occasional video here with trying and improve my quality. Right, we'll find out which way I need to go, because there's several routes. It's this way, straight ahead, or down there. So, right, catch you in a bit. You can't beat these e-bikes for this sort of thing, you know. Oh, bloody thing. For a bit of exploring. Hey, we just see a rabbit, so it's a good job you're in that, isn't it, Poppy? Right, this will be the end of the video. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Say ciao. Say ciao. Ciao.